Hi, I'm Bryony Willis, and in this video I will show you my top 3 air purifying houseplants. As well as looking good, houseplants are known to support human health. Not only do they have psychological benefits, they also have many physical health benefits, including reduced breathing problems, created by better indoor air quality. A lot of people don't realise that pollution levels are often higher indoors than outdoors, and can lead to eye, nose and throat irritation, headaches, fatigue and skin dryness. Plants can improve air quality by removing volatile organic compounds, including benzene and formaldehyde, from the air. Here we have mother-in-law's tongue, also known as the snake plant. It's one of the most recommended plants for improving air quality, and the optimal place to keep this low-maintenance plant is the bedroom, because it takes up CO2 during the night. This is one of the hardest houseplants to kill. Although it does need to be watered occasionally, it generally prefers drier conditions and some sun. The peace lily is excellent for removing pollutants such as ammonia, benzene and formaldehyde. They also have a high transpiration rate to both purify and humidify indoor air. They are easy to grow and will flower for much of the summer. Put peace lilies in a shady spot and keep the soil moist without overwatering. Finally, we have the Boston fern. In studies conducted, the Boston fern ranked highest out of all plants tested in its ability to remove formaldehyde from the air. This pollutant is found in many household items, including gas stoves and floor coverings. They prefer to clean the air from a cool location with high humidity and indirect light. They're relatively easy to grow, but they do need to stay moist. Check the fern's soil daily to see if it needs water and give it a good soak once per month. Thank you for watching. Which houseplants will you be picking for your home?